I just want to thank everybody that was rocking with me when I was a chicken head. See, I don't even need nobody to hype me up. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm LC. If this is your first time at my channel, then welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you are returning, then welcome back, fam. So we are 2 years locked and this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. First, I just want to thank all of you guys. Thank you to the subscribers that have been here from the beginning. Thank you to the subscribers that joined me maybe in the middle of my journey. Thank you to those of you that have just subscribed, and even thank you to you, the one that's not subscribed yet, but you're gonna be, and you're just watching to figure out more about who I am in my journey. Thank you to all of you, because literally me going through what I was going through, especially within the past year, there's just a lot of moments of me just not being sure, like, is this what I want? Is this what I want to do? Am I happy with this? Am I sticking with this? And having like a community of supporters and a community of people that are there to uplift you and help you continue your journey is life-changing. And that anyone that I know that gets locks, I'm like, oh, you have to like join the lock community. You gotta go join the lock community. And they're like, how do I join the lock community? Just make an Instagram. Just make an Instagram, hashtag, you know, lock community, lock journey. But it is such a beautiful place to be a part of. And I just feel like we're in our own little secret clique that like people don't even know that like it's popping in the lock community. It's popping here. It's a good time. It's a good time. We are nice here, good people. So thank you to all of you. I know I can't always get to every single comment. That's just because of like life. But I genuinely try to respond to as many as I can. Even if I can't respond at that moment, I try to give it like a like or a heart. I genuinely, I try. But I do read all of the comments at one point or another. So just want you to know that I am seeing your comments. And I really just thank all of you so much for just being so supportive and just, I don't know, just helping me grow. Like helping me grow as a locked woman, helping me grow as a YouTuber, helping me grow as an entrepreneur, helping me grow as just a woman, a black woman in general. There have just been so many amazing things that have come from this journey, and I feel like I owe a lot of that to all of you, because you guys you made the space what it is. Okay, so let's just talk about like where we're at with my hair, like what are some updates, what's going on, like let's just get into all of that good stuff. Okay, so we are 2 years locked officially as of March 21st. It is March 24th today. I had to wait until I got myself together before I filmed, but we just 3 days after my lock anniversary, so it still counts. But yes, we are 2 years locked officially. Let's just go ahead and give you guys a quick little rundown if you're new here. So I started my locks myself on March 21st of 2020. I started my locks with 2 strand twists. I had originally 110, but then I combined some and I brought it down to 96 locks. My hair is 4C and it's very fine, but also like thick. It's weird, but it's like fine, thick, okay? So that's a quick little rundown. Let's talk first about just where we're at with like maintenance and wash routine and what's going on with all of that. So I am washing still around once every 2 weeks, sometimes once a week, because if you guys don't already know, I do deal with a scalp condition. I get like really dry scalp. It can get flaky at times. I do use a medicated shampoo, so that's super helpful. I hadn't done any deep conditioner in a while, and my hair was just looking kind of like frail. It was looking a little dull in color. That to me normally means that my hair needs some type of protein treatment. So the deep conditioner that I use is actually a protein treatment. It's by Mielle Organics. I'll put a link for all the shampoos and products I'm mentioning below if you want to check them out. But yeah, once I use that deep conditioner, it brought my hair back to life, like for real. Like my hair was getting like super light brown, and I did dye the ends of my hair, which you can't see here, but the ends of my hair are dyed, so I was fine with that being a light brown. But the actual like lock itself was looking like it was starting to lighten up. And normally, like I said, for me, what that means is I need a protein treatment. It might mean something different for you, but from what I've seen, that means a protein treatment. That means your hair is needing some protein. So that brought it back to life, okay? Back to life. As far as the oils I use to moisturize it, for this time I just used coconut oil, like raw coconut oil from Whole Foods, and then I used some black Jamaican castor oil. When I was done washing my hair, I let it air dry a little bit. And then I went ahead with my coconut oil only on the shaft of my locks, not on my scalp, but just on the shaft of my locks. I put the oil all over, and then I came in with the black Jamaican castor oil. I put that all over the shaft of my hair, and then I started my retwist because my hair needed to be retwisted. The last time I had a retwist was, I think it's been like 2 months, honestly. I think it's been like 2 months since I gave myself a retwist. I really don't feel like I've had a retwist since like January. That's the last time I can remember one. So it's been about 2 months, so I was definitely due for one. So something that I did do in between my last retwist and this one was I did interlock a couple of them, not all of them, but there was just a few that I had to go in and do interlocking on. So I have seen that question pop up in my comments on if it's okay to switch between interlocking and retwisting. I mean, I want to say yes. Like my loctician said it was fine. I feel like it's fine. I've been doing it with my hair and I don't really see any issues. Like this lock has been interlocked and retwisted. I couldn't tell you which area was interlocked and which area was retwisted. I don't know. But if you're going to interlock, make sure that you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, go to a professional that does, because if you interlock incorrectly, you can create holes in your locks, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. For me, there will be like a time where I might interlock, and then some months later I'll retwist, and then some months later I might interlock, and then some months later I might retwist, and that has been fine for me. I haven't seen any issues. But something else I have heard some people say is that if you switch between the two too frequently, you can start creating like a lot of different sizes within one lock. Because the way that your hair expands after you interlock it versus the way it expands after you retwist is not exactly the same. So it might look like a little bit thinner in the area on the lock. Like let's say, like I don't really have that issue per se, but I don't really know what to show you. But like let's say for this one, it might be like up in here, this was just interlocked, and like this could look a lot thinner versus maybe here where it was retwisted. So I have heard that for some people, if they do it too frequently, like over time within the lock, you can tell like what area was interlocked versus what area was retwisted. But I think because I only retwist like a few times a year anyways, and because I only interlock maybe once or twice a year anyways, it's not as big of an issue for me. Okay, so let's get into the thickness of our locks, because I don't know if they're like any thicker than what they were when I did my 1 year 9 months. I feel like they're the same thickness. Like I feel like maybe we have reached the level of thickness. Like I don't know if we're going to be getting any thicker than where we are now. But to me, I feel like it looks the same. I always will have like my fatties. Like this is one of my fatties. And this has just always been like a bigger one. This one in the back. This one has always been a bigger one. You guys see it? Yeah, you can see it. This one has always been a bigger one. So I just have some in my hair, like these, that have just always been a little bit thicker, but I feel like compared to where we were at our 1 year 9 months, was that when I did the update? Now it's starting not even to feel right. I feel like it was 1 year 9 months when I did the update. Whenever I did my last update, I don't feel like my locks are any thicker than that. So I feel like maybe we've hit like capacity of thickness. I don't really know. I do get questions that people ask me like, how do I maintain the thickness? I think that can go into a few things. I think it might have to do with the type of oils I use. I think it might have to do with just my hair texture in general, but also I don't retwist that often. And I think that that's a big one. Like I think me going like at times 8 or 9, maybe even 10, but like 8 or 9 weeks not retwisting, in my opinion, does help with the thickness of the lock. But everyone's different. Everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair is going to grow differently, but I will recommend to not retwist too frequently. I do feel like you kind of spreading them out a little bit can help you maintain the integrity and the thickness in your lock. So as far as the ends of my hair, they're all still pretty curly. Like as I've mentioned, what is this? I told you all the lint mob. That lint mob is ruthless. Yeah, they're still curly. As you can see, I don't do anything to my ends to make them be curly. Some of them are kind of sealing, but not really. Like I don't really think these will ever fully seal. They just don't look like they will. I think they're going to forever kind of stay curly, which I like. I think they're really cute. I like the curly ends. I see some people like purposefully combing out the ends of their locks and like purposefully like doing things to try to keep their ends curly. I don't do anything like that. This is just how they grow. That's just what I'm dealing with. That's just what it is. If you're not new to my channel, then you know how I feel about this length. I'm here for it. Stop. See, I don't even need nobody to hype me up, because I hype myself up. Yeah, no, honey, baby, I don't even need to say do you see it, because you do. I just want to thank everybody that was rocking with me when I was a chicken head, because yeah, no, we out here. We're out here with the length, okay? I'll pull a few, but I really don't even need to stretch them, because you can just see that we are out here with the length. Oh my gosh, I literally did my retwist the other day and I was just like, okay, wait. Because y'all know I am a length fiend, okay? I am a length fiend. I am really in this lock journey to have long locks. Like, I want the long locks. So for me to see that length coming in, I was just like, oh shoot, don't tell me. Look at me, I can't even, I'm over here, I'm coming off mad arrogant right now. I'm just really feeling me. Well, it's my birthday. My birthday's coming up. It's my 2-year anniversary. I'm a feel me, okay? I'm feeling me, okay? Like, this length is doing everything I need for it to do right now. I'm not mad at it. Do I want my hair longer? Yes. Am I happy with where it is now? Yes. Okay. Of course, you guys know I want the titty locks. Can I say that here? I want the locks to be sitting on the boobs. Like, that's the goal. But I'm happy with this. I'm not mad at it. I am just like geeked. I am so happy. And I'll show you guys the back. Okay, you guys can see our back is looking long. What? What are we saying? What are you saying to me? Hold on. What? Did you call my name? Who, me? Oh, yeah, no, this is all my hair. Yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah, I can help you. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is the worst thing that could have happened to me. And I knew it. I've known from the beginning that the longer these get, the more I'm gonna show out. The more it's a problem. Somebody needs to come get me, because don't let this hair get any longer. Oh, everything's a hair flip now. Oh my God, there's something wrong with me. But yeah, no, the length is coming in, honey. We are getting long, we are getting lengthy. I love it. I love it here. Come join me. Hop on the lock train. Let's all be out here with the lengthy locks, because I'm telling you, it feels good. Wear it down the middle often, like most of the time, but every once in a while I might hit it with a little flip. That was kind of a lot to flip. Okay, this one don't want to be flipped, but something like that. I don't normally do the other side because this is my good side. So before we get into our close-up, which is when we get all up into my scalp, I'm going to give you guys some close-up footage of my locks. Before we get into that, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing your stories, your journeys. Just thank you for all of it. Thank you for sharing my video. Like, all of it. Like, thank you for all of it. I'm extremely appreciative of all of you guys, and I just am so happy that I started this channel and I just started tracking this journey, because I feel like I've been able to connect with some really dope people. Like, y'all are really like cool people. Like, we could get along. Like, we could be friends. Like, I could feel that with some of you guys.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compared to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment below your loc date because I love to see when you guys have started your locs. So comment your loc journey below and share this video with anyone that you think may find it helpful. I appreciate all of you guys and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.
Wave, all the water's perfect.